So we could go naman, sir.
Sige.
Ito na yung ating showcase na shade houses.
Ito na yung highlight.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ito sinahin natin.
Sarado muna.
Ah, okay.
Wala, ayaw tayo
May
papasok.
security ka rin.
Ano ba to? Parang hindi sa akin ah. Chard, ayaw bumukas. Nakalaki. Oh, ayun. Papasok yata, Chard. Sorry, sir. Parang hindi sa akin.
Eggplant,
Eggplant and
tomato.
tomatoes.
Available na po ang agribusiness merch sa Shopee. Ang link nasa description box.
So this technology, it's called shade houses.
Okay.
Nakita ko to, sir, massively ginagamit ngayon in India. This is all net, insect netting. Kasi, sir, nakita nila na yung greenhouse na setup doesn't really work for tropical countries.
Yes, mainit.
Mainit masyado. So this one is better dahil it gives a little shade. Tapos it really, as tropical countries, sir, malakas tayo sa peste. So nai-eliminate po natin ang, not eliminate 100%, but na-mitigate po natin ang pests. So ito, sir, itong aming kamati, 3 linggo, Chard. 3 weeks old, sir.
Ito?
Yes, sir. From transplanting po.
Wow. Namumulaklak na.
May bunga na, sir.
May bunga na.
May mga bunga na po. May maliliit na mga
maliliit.
bunga. So ang setup po na ganito, sir, itong ganitong insect net will last you also around 5-8 years. Then we use steel cables. Gastusan na, sir, kasi pang matagalan naman po.
Cable siyang ano mo.
Yes, sir. And our primary purpose for doing this really, sir, is we really want to almost eliminate po ang use ng pesticides and insecticides. Kasi kami rin naman po kumakain ng sarili naming produce eh. So mas maganda. And still we're using the same weed matting po sa gitna.
Yung weed matting sa gitna.
Para wala
sa
na rin
plant.
pong damo.
Wala ring damo.
Opo. Kung pansinin niyo, sir, medyo luma-luma na. This is already, may 3 years na yan, no, Chard?
Parang yan na yung pinagtaniman mo.
Yes, sir. So we just move it. Minumove lang po namin kung saan namin sunod na gagamitin.
Ganda. What they call this? Yung
Shade house, sir.
Shade house.
Insect net house ang sabi nila po na.
Shade and insect net house.
Yung shade house kasi, sir, it provides shade eh. This one, sir, hindi ko kailangan naman po ng shade eh. But the next one we're building, medyo shade na po yung ilalagay ko dito sa taas. Just for my ano naman yun, sir, para naman po sa mga sili po namin. Dahil gusto po nila ng medyo shaded ang sili. I discovered, sir, na mas maganda po ang tubo ng may konting shade.
Talaga? Puntahan natin, sir.
Nararin po natin doon.
Ganda.
Ingat, Sofia. Tapos, sir, ang na-discover po namin dito, isang question ko po na ano is, ayaw po namin pumasok ang insekto. So, ang problema, sino magpo-pollinate? One option we did was bees. But bees are expensive. Medyo may presyo. So, doing the research, na-discover po namin ni Richard, one of the forgotten pollinators that we have is langaw.
Talaga?
Ordinary housefly, sir. They are also good pollinators. We've proven it already. Dun sa isa ko pong shade house na ganito, mamaya makita po natin, puros talong po ang tanim ko. I put in bees, hindi po namunga. Because the bees do not like the color. No? Gusto nila white, and for some reason, the bees didn't pollinate it. No, towards the end, medyo hopeless na kami ni Richard. Sabi ko, Chard, may nabasa ako sa ano na pwede daw ang langaw. So what we did was, kumuha kami ng fish innards, pinabulati muna namin, nilagay namin sa loob. Abay, namunga, sir.
Talaga?
Namunga siya ng namunga. So yun po ang aming inaano dito, na maglalagay po kami ng fish innards na meron ng maggots, then we let the flies in. I don't know the science to it, but it worked with us sa amin, na yun po ang aming ginagamit na pollinators po sa farm. Dito sa shade houses.
Paano nakapasok yung mangingitlog?
Edi sir, sa labas muna po.
Sa labas muna.
Maglalangaw na siya. Papasok na doon. After a few days, may kita mo yung lalagyan mo ng isda ay punong-puno na ng maggots.
Yun nung
That's the time
mo.
you put them in. That's the time you put them in.
Para dito na siya magiging langaw.
Opo, dito na po siya magiging langaw. Tapos if there are still a few pests that are around that you need to spray, okay lang mag-spray. Kasi madaling mag-produce ng panibagong langaw eh. Kung bubuyog yun nandito, baka may chance na mamatay po yung hive nyo. Yung langaw super, hindi naman, madali po siya i-replicate. So kung makita nyo sir na medyo maraming langaw. So ito sir, dalawang stages. This is, ang distance ng time distance, this is 2 weeks difference po.
Ang layo ha?
Opo.
In 2 weeks lang?
Opo. Kasi nga sir, ang pinopromote namin is really soil health. Kaya ganyan po ang ano ng kamatis. So two stages, yung talong, 1 batch, then after 2 weeks we plant the next.
So ito muna, bago ito.
Yes sir. Nakaikot.
So kalalagay lang itong itong
Weed mat sir?
Weed mat?
Opo. Yan na lang example sir. That is 1 week worth of weeds.
1 week lang yan?
Yes sir. Na hindi nakaligtaan. Tanyo kung gaano po bilis. It only goes to show sir how fertile the land is. That's also a telltale sign eh. Kapag tinignan mo lupa, anong itsura ng growth ng damo. So imagine nyo sir kung every week kailangan mo maglinis. Unlike po kung naka-weed matting kayo. Tapos we plant flowers pa rin dito sa
inside.
Sa inside.
Tapos yung rain, papasok pa rin siya, no?
Ang maganda sir, kung malakas po ang ulan,
na babasag.
Mist. Nagmi-mist lang po siya.
Ganda.
Tapos maalwan po, at the end of the day, yung alwan ng trabaho rin po ng tao eh. It's easy to work. It's easy, for them. So ngayon, tali na lang po ng tali. Pati po sila nagulat kung gaano kabilis tumubo itong kamatis.
Sir? Ano yung ginagamit mo to enhance yung soil? Kasi sabi mo, yun yung importante.
Meron kami, sir, unang-una is we make our own compost. And meaning ng compost, sir, we are keen on the ingredients that we put in.
Okay.
So it's a mixture of, like, yung huli niyong interview sa akin, sir, there's also seaweed. Maglalagay po kami ng chicken manure. Naglalagay po kami ng browns and greens. So nagde-depend din po ano yung quality ng compost po na ginagamit namin. And besides that, we create our own fertilizer tea. So meron din po kaming meron din kaming way to ferment it. So yun, dinidilig sa halaman. yung flora and fauna ng lupa, mas gumaganda sir,
Gumaganda.
gumaganda. And we are using also some organic fertilizers na we buy. Greenland sir, we buy Greenland.
Oy, Greenland.
Ay, maganda sir.
Customer pala si Sir Paeng ng Greenland.
Maganda sir ang effect po ng Greenland. Kaya ako nalaman ng Greenland sir dahil kay Sir Buddy. So we were lucky enough to go to their facility and saw the process they made their fertilizers. So alam ko yung quality sir ng and it's kita niyo naman.
Yeah.
Di ba sir? Hindi naman po marunong magsinungaling ang halaman. Doon lang tayo sa kabila, sir.
Okay, sir. Ang ganda, ha? Simple lang siya pero mukha siyang high-tech.
Oo, sir.
No?
It doesn't have to be ano. Pati ito, sir, alam niyo
Pero this is all expensive.
It's not. Sa tingin niyo, sir, magkano ginastos ko? Ano ko na buksan?
So, parang masasabi mo na ano to, hindi naman siya 100% organic.
Yes, sir. Hindi po.
Hindi, no?
We're not by a long shot, sir. But we are moving towards that, sir. Pero mas malaki na ang majority, sir, ng organic.
Organic na.
Oo, sir. Not
60-40?
I could say 70-30 na po ako.
Okay.
Kasi ang malaking tipid ko dito, sir, is really the pesticides na pa-spray. Tapos it's healthier plants. Nung ginawa nga namin to, sir, kasagsagan ng bagyo. Diyos ko pong hirap.
So this is another one?
Yes,
another...
sir. This is...
Ano naman laman nito, sir?
Ito, sir, is ampatola.
Ampatola.
So nag-ano na kami ng ano rin. Ang palaya is main problem mo is fruit flies.
Fruit flies. Wala ka ng fruit flies.
Wala na yan, sir. Wala nang fruit flies. Let's go inside, sir. Makita niyo yung setup. So we did, sir, dalawang laki, dalawang height.
Oo.
Kasi ito, sir, kaya kong creeping and climbing plants. And eventually, sir, sa cycle namin, kaya rin po ang globe nito is papaya. Kaya po may mataas. Tapos yung mas mababa, those are for the vegetable.
Hindi mo kailangan tanggalin, magpalit ka lang ng crop.
Yes, sir. Ang long-term goal na namin, sir, is to have all of the farms, sir, have modules ng ganito na po. Una kong tinanim dito, sir, talong. Yun nga, sir, ang naging problema. Hindi po namunga dahil wala nga pollinator.
Okay.
Nung huli na, nilagyan po namin ng langaw, ay dumami po talaga ang bunga.
So yung bunga sa tomato, o kagagawan nila ng langaw yun? Ay, tama. Yung namumungang tomato.
Hindi ko masabing 100%, sir, dahil ang tomatoes, mahanginan lang ng konti. Nagsiself-pollinate.
Nagsiself-pollinate.
Yung sa talong ko malalaman, sir, kung totoo ba talaga na yun ang cause.
Okay.
Papasok na.
So,
So the way we designed it is double door. Para talagang hindi po may papasok pa rin, pero the percentage of it getting in, the insects is very low. So this one, sir, ampatola.
Ampatola.
Nanggaling po ito sa talong. So again, it's the same with matting, same setup. Ang maganda, sir, dahil sa nakaganito po ako, pati na-maintain ito at walang tumutubong iba, yung aking plot, sir, hanggang 4 cropping cycles nagagamit ko po yung aking mulch, yung pag-set up.
So ito na yung second.
Yes, sir. Ito na
So
po
from eggplant to ampatola,
Yes,
after
sir.
ampatola.
They say, sir, ang ampatola, you could replant up to 3 times eh.
Oh, talaga?
So, sabi nung supplier, sir. So, I'll try yung susunod niya na ano. It's the first time po nag-try ng ampatola eh. Usually, yung the usual lang po ko na patola. So, again, ang setup, same. Ito rin po yung setup ko para dun sa aking talong. We just have to modify it para sa susunod na crop. Ikot tayo doon para makita. Ingat ka, Sofia, may mga net. So ito, sir, ang kulang na lang po namin is we're going to put in drip irrigation. Para dito sa... Meron na po kaming hose doon, ipapasok na lang. Then, para easy na po ang...
Shower?
Hindi, sir. Drip pa rin ako.
Drip.
Magdi-drip pa rin. Magdi-drip.
Nakalabas na yung yung pipe.
Nakalabas po yung hose. Hindi po nakapasok sa loob. So this is this is 1,500 po na square meters. Konti lang po yung, I think this is just 250 na ampalaya ang laman. But you get higher yields on a per plant basis po than planting so much.
So, ano ang katapat nito in terms of harvest from the traditional? Gaano kalaki yung traditional compared dun sa
ganito na
napoproduce nito?
I think, sir, sa ganito, sir, kung yung traditional, maybe more than 3/4 hectare worth. Yung traditional,
Okay.
and this is just 1,500.
3/4?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Ito, wala pang 1/4.
Yes, sir.
No, kasi 1,500.
This is 1,500.
2,500 supposedly yung
Opo.
1/4.
Opo.
Wow.
Yun nga naman, sir, it's not really how much you plant, but the quality of plants that you have. Hindi po padamihan. Parang anak, sir.
Oo.
Hindi naman padamihan eh. May nakakalimutan ka na wag masyadong marami. So, kung tama yung dami, napapakain mo na maayos lahat.
Okay.
So, ganun din po sa halaman. So, yan, sir.
Ganda.
Yun na po ang aking new additions to the farm. Now, we're still coming up with new ones, new technologies. Pero at the end of the day, sir, ang importante pa rin is, again, we are able to do this because it's sustainable already.
Yeah. And kung dati, traditional pa yung dati, di ba? 2 years ago, you're earning...
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, the same area. Pero na triple yung harvest.
Yes, sir.
Tama?
Opo. You get to, kaya ngayon, sir, yun ang natutunan ko hindi mo kailangang bumomba ng sobrang laki.
Oo.
Alagaan mo lang ng...
So in terms of cost, nakatipid ka ng how much?
In terms of fertilizer cost, sir, let's say before ang gastos is around, sabihin na natin round number, around 100,000 a month. Now I'm doing around 20 to 30 na lang po.
Grabe.
Because I'm doing my own fertilizer.
Oo.
I'm doing my own, pati pesticide spray, sir. Meron na rin po kaming ginagawa ng pang-augment. I'm still using pesticides and insecticides, sir.
Oo.
Pero may naka-augment na lang po sila.
So, doon sa fertilizer, na-reduce mo ng 75%.
Yes, sir.
Yung pesticides, insecticides,
Yun ang malaki,
fungicide.
sir. A fungicide is still the same amount. Hindi ko pa po
Okay.
nasosolve yung mystery na yan ng fungus, sir.
So, insecticide and ano lang?
Insecticide and sir, and fertilizer. Sa insecticide, sir, ang nababa kong cost is, I could easily say 90%, sir.
90%?
Oh, halos wala na po kaming, sa ganitong setup,
Because
sir.
of the system?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tapos, ano pa labor cost?
Mas, yun ang, sir, maintained ang labor ko,
As is.
but mas marami po ng tanim.
Dumami yung tanim.
Dumami ang tanim.
Yeah.
Because yun ang ano namin, sir, you make the work easier for them.
Mm.
Not because gusto mo silang maging tamad,
Mm.
gusto mo silang mas maging efficient ang
Efficient.
work.
Oo.
Hindi,
Sabi nga nila sa business, para kumita ka, number one, pataasin mo yung sale. Kung napadami mo yung crops mo, di ibig sabihin, tataas yung sale. Dahil maganda yung sistema, gaganda yung quality, tataas yung sale. Di ba? And pangalawa, you bring down the cost.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yun yung dalawa na importante para kumita. No? Increase the sales, bring down the cost. Combined yun, sir.
Yes, sir. Yun naman ang ano dun eh. It's really, sir, buddy. It's really investing in new technologies eh. These new technologies were developed to precisely do that.
Mm.
And ang nakakalungkot, sir, we just have to adapt. We just have to adapt. It's already here. It's already here, sir. Ito na. So, maging sana nila na nakakalungkot na ang dami pong bumibisita dito and saying, sa Taiwan ko lang to nakita. Sa Vietnam ko lang to nakita. Then ang sa akin, sir, it's what does it say about our farming industry? Diba? So, ang ano namin ni Richard, pati parents ko at ni Mrs. ko dito is really to try to be a trailblazer.
Mm.
To not just to be vocal about it.
Mm.
'Di ba, sir? Madaling magsabi. But to really take tangible steps in helping. Yun pala, sir, isa pa sa blessing po na natanggap ko before nang maano ko sa agribusiness is na-awardan na po akong magsasaka scientifico ng Region 4A.
Oh, Region 4A.
Just this November, sir.
Oh, nice.
So, nakita ko, sir, yun, mga kapwa ko po na magsasakang scientifico who are really trying to put in new technologies po. Opo. So, nakakatawa, sir. Nakakatawa na to be recognized as such.
Ma'am Sel, Ma'am Beth, I think aside from mga tours natin outside the country, I think it's about time na mag-organize tayo ng tour dito sa Pilipinas kasi maraming magagandang farm, kagaya ng farm ni Sir Paeng.
Salamat, sir.
Sobrang ganda. Ang problem lang kasi talaga, sir, sa Pilipinas, maraming magagandang farm, hindi ino-open
Yes, sir.
to public. Yun. Kaya akala na lang ng lagi ng tao, backward tayo, pangit pa rin ginagawa natin.
Purita, sir, ang mga farmer.
Purita pa rin ang farmer ng Pilipinas. But hindi, madaming magagandang farm. Kailangan lang talaga makonvince din natin yung mga farm owners to share yung ideas, yung technology, para mag-benefit yung the whole Philippines, the whole industry.
Sa akin lang naman, sir, if there's a word of advice that I could give for farmers, may acronym ako dyan, sir, first is C. You choose, sir, the crops that you want to plant.
Okay.
H is you hone your time, your effort in taking care of those plants. R is to do your research. Research talaga extensive, sir. Hindi lang nanood kayo sa YouTube. Reading materials. Then, really, namnamin nyo yung sinasabi. Third is to investigate. Look at other farms that have such setups. Ask them. Tingnan mo talaga. Go extensively. The S is to stay focused. It doesn't mean, sir, na minsan kasi nagtanim ng talong, may napanood na video na maganda daw ang ampalaya. Jump ka ng jump, di ba, sir? So you really have to stay focused on your crops.
Yeah.
And lastly, sir, is treasure. Treasure your experience in farming. If you add all those, sir, together, the CHRIST, to have Christ in the center. Yun pa rin, sir, sa amin eh. Sa amin ni Mrs. It's still, this is still the Lord's. This is all His blessings. Without Him, sir, this is nothing. So those are the standards we come up with. Sir. Yun yung aming Christ. Yun ang aming Panginoon. This is the only business, sir, I tell you. I see, I taste, I feel, I touch my God every day.
Yeah.
So yun ang ano namin, sir.
Sa dami-dami na naging negosyo ni Sir Paeng, nahanap mo na yung para sa'yo.
Ay, nahanap ako ng Panginoon, sir.
Okay.
Yun po yun. Nagtatago ako dati. Binulaga lang po ako.
Oo.
Yun po. Yun po.
Ayan. Oo. Yeah, anything else, sir? Before tayo mag-end.
Well, ako sir, I'd like to give credit where credit is due. To my wife and loving family who have been supporting this farm, sir. My parents who's been with us. Sayang sir, hindi lang po kayo nagkaabot. And sir, the new mentors that I have in Batangas, if I could mention, can I mention
Sige, sir.
si Sir Rosano, Sir Nelson, Sir Juve, Sir Benoit, and si Rafi. These are the people who inspire me. They are businessmen, sir, outside of farming, and they are mentoring me on how to
Do business.
Yes, sir. Treat farming as such.
Yeah.
So yun ang ano ko dun, sir. I am blessed, sir, to have you as a friend and to have them as my mentors. So yun ang ano ko, sir. Yun lang po. Salamat po sa pagbisita po ulit.
Oo, salamat at pinagbigyan mo kaming bumalik dito. Oo. Yan, sabi ni Sofia, Dad, balikan kayo natin si Sir Paeng.
Ayun lang may inaantay ko, sir. Naantay lang ako ng kalabit. But I'm happy where also the Lord has taken you, sir. The way He has blessed your family, sir. And ako lang, sir, ang prayer namin ng pamilya para sa inyo is really for continued health. Sir, and be the blessing that you are to this industry, sir. Continue, sir. Soldier on. Wag na yung mga nagne-negative, pabayaan mo sila. Mamatay sila sa inggit. Di ba, sir? You're doing well. And we are we are blessed to have you, sir. Yun lang po yun.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Sa audience naman natin, may gusto ko pang pahabol.
Well, sana mag-enroll kayo.
Okay, tama.
If you're really interested to go into farming, doing it well, I'm not saying the right way, but doing it the way we have done it, we will be opening classes maybe this February na ulit.
Okay.
So
Feb what? Anong date? Para yung mga audience natin ngayon, they can start,
pwede kong i-set ko na, sir, ng third week po ng February. So it's a weekend, it's 3 days, 2 nights. You stay in the farm. We teach you how to manage, how to start, choosing your crops. All sir. Even basic sir ng farm, ng plant care and people management. Then after that, after graduating from class, we're still there. We set up your farms, we help you with
maganda.
your market.
Yun ang
sir.
The best.
Yun po ang namin. We train your people. And the end of the day, sir, is magiging kaibigan namin kayo. Yun na naman ang saya nun, sir. Na maging tool sana kami for your success in farming. Because it's something that we will push for, we will strive for, and we will always pray for.
Ayan, so kami naman po sa agribusiness for 2024, marami rin kaming dinidevelop na ibang gagawin, at kami ay gusto namin talagang i-strengthen yung partnership, yung linkages, linking the farmer and the buyer. Yung talagang solid na na magkaroon ng magandang partnership. Yun yung gusto naming gawin. Soon lalabas na yung mga pilot episodes namin dyan.
Okay.
At right now, continuously ginagawa na namin yan. Silently ginagawa na namin yung linkaging from one farmer to industrial buyer para magkaroon ng direct na linkage at magkaroon sila ng direct na transaction. Ginagawa na namin yan. Soon ilalabas na namin yung ating pilot episode. Tama ba, Sofia? Pwede ko na bang i-announce na? Ang aking publicist masyadong stricto.
Sama ko, sir,
Yan, oo.
Sama ko, sir.
So yun.
If there's a way also for us to help,
Yes,
just tell us, sir.
Thank you.
Sabihan niyo po kami.
So yun, kasi yung agribusiness, parang yung tagline na nga namin, instruct, inspire, and succeed. Yung instruct, I think, na-prove na namin yan. No? Marami nang naituro,
yes,
marami nang nag-venture into farming. Yung inspire, yan. Ang daming mga OFW na gusto nilang umuwi at mag-try na magkaroon ng venture. But ang pinaka-importante dyan, talaga sa slogan namin is yung succeed. Meaning, dapat magkaroon talaga ng negosyo, magkaroon talaga ng tamang linkage ng market at saka yung buyer.
Yes, sir.
Yun ang gusto namin gawin kasi walang gumagawa. Ha? Oo. Okay. So, pinayagan na ako na i-publicist. Anong pangalan ng ating segment?
Farmer to partner.
Ayan. So, magkakaroon kami ng bagong segment na Farmer to Partner. So, basically, yun yung ginagawa namin. Actual linkage talaga. Hindi siya nagagawa ng isang Fisher story lang. Kasi karamihan ng nangyayari dyan, hindi namin video.
Yes, sir.
So, series of meetings with the industrial partner, with the group of farmers, hanggang doon sa magkaroon sila ng agreement, hanggang doon sa baguhin nila yung technology ng farmers para pumasa doon sa quality
Yes, sir.
ng buyer,
Yes, sir.
hanggang doon sa ma-deliver nila, hanggang doon sa gamitin sa restaurant yung produkto. So yun na yung next level ng
Exciting,
agribusiness.
sir. Exciting.
Yan.
Sana, sir, itong next year would be a blessing for all of us.
Yes.
A blessing for... Congratulations in advance, sir.
Thank you. At si Sir Peng nanood doon sa live natin nung 1 million.
Nanalo pa ako,
Oo.
sir. May prize pa ako.
Nakarating ba?
Yes, sir. Naman.
Nakarating. Ayan. Ayun, so yun po. Maraming salamat sa panonood. At I hope marami kayong natutunan dito sa series natin ulit kay Sir Peng.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And sir, I prayed for success sa ating pong lahat.
Thank you, sir.
And again, you are welcome to come back.
Yeah.
Always welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yung wala na ako sa lamin. Ba't ako puro rin? Namamag.
Bakit, sir?
Ganyan eh. Kapupuyat ko siguro.
Ayan. Mabuti na yung walang tulog, sir, kaysa walang gising. Ano, sir? Ay, asukal pa ba kayo, sir, sa kape?
Ay, hindi na.
Creamer, sir.
Hindi na. Available na po ang Agribusiness merch sa Shopee. Ang link nasa description box. Agribusiness, how it works. Instruct, inspire, succeed.